Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by removing grease and grit so you don't add new scratches. Clean the area with mild detergent, rinse, and dry. Once done, mask off borders and hardware to avoid accidental damage. Begin with 400 to 600 grit wet/dry sandpaper. Keep the paper and surface wet to lubricate and reduce heat. Sand gently along the grain only, not across it, with even pressure. This initial sanding evens out the scratch edges so polish can blend the finish. Now you refine the groove to match the stainless steel texture. Progress sequentially from 800 to 1000 and finish with 1500 to 2000 grit, always sanding with the grain. Use a soft sanding block to maintain flat pressure and avoid dips. Long, even strokes prevent cross marks. Make sure to rinse and dry between grits so abrasive grit won't contaminate the next stage. Once the scratch blends and feels smooth, you've prepared the metal for final polishing to restore the satin look. Finish by applying a stainless steel polish or jeweler's rouge to a clean microfiber or felt pad. You'll polish along the grain. If using a low-speed drill, keep it slow and steady to avoid heat buildup. Work until the surface regains uniform sheen, then wipe off residue and buff with a dry microfiber. If a faint line persists, repeat the final fine sanding and polish steps, always following the grain. If you see white haze, you likely sanded too hard. Back up one grit and repolish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.